Good morning, student. Let us see application of differential equation. In that, first we will see population and growth. We know that population is increased with time. याचा अर्थ असा की जसजसा वेळ वाढत जातो किंवा वर्ष जातात तसतसं पॉप्युलेशन कसं होते वाढत जाते. Therefore, the rate of change of population is generally proportional to the population at that time. जर समजा आता पॉप्युलेशन 133 करोड आहे तर काही वर्षानंतर ते 133 करोड 50 लाख होईल, 25 लाख होईल, 75 लाख होईल, 60 लाख होईल. म्हणजेच काय, जसजसा वेळ वाढत जातो तसतसं पॉप्युलेशन काय होते वाढत जाते, आहे की नाही. म्हणून आपण म्हणू शकतो की रेट ऑफ पॉप्युलेशन इज जनरली proportional to the population at that time. Let P is equal to population at time t. समजा टाइम t या वेळेला पॉप्युलेशन किती आहे p आहे. Therefore, rate of change of population dp by dt is directly proportional to p. Therefore, dp by dt is equal to kp, where k is constant. Therefore, dp upon p is equal to k dt, isn't it? On integrating, we get integration dp upon p is equal to k integration dt. That is equal to log of p is equal to kt plus c1, where c1 is the integration constant. Now, taking exponential on both sides, e raised to power log p is equal to e raised to power kt plus c1. Exponential and logarithm get cancelled. We have on left side p is equal to e raised to power kt into e raised to power c by using the laws of indices. 1. Therefore, p is equal to c into e raised to power kt, where c is equal to e raised to power c1. This is also the constant. Therefore, we replace this constant by c, which gives the population at any time t. In this way, by using this method, we can find the population at time t. Let us see problems in exercise 6.6, question number 2 and question number 7 based on population, isn't it? Let us see question number 2 first. If the population of country double in 60 years, in how many years will it be triple? Under the assumption that the rate of increase of population to the number of inhabitant. It is given that log of 2 is equal to 0.6912 and log of 3 is equal to 1.0986. याचा या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये असं सांगितलं आहे की 60 वर्षामध्ये पॉप्युलेशन आहे त्यापेक्षा दुप्पट होतं, तर किती वर्षांमध्ये ते तिप्पट होईल. जर पॉप्युलेशन रेट ऑफ increase in population is directly proportional to the number of population or population at time t, it is given, isn't it? So let us solve this sum. Let p is equal to population of country at time t. given that dp by dt is directly proportional to p, therefore dp by dt is equal to kp, where k is equal to constant. Therefore dp upon p is equal to k dt we have. Therefore integral dp upon p is equal to k into integral dt. That is log of p is equal to kt plus c. Denote this equation as 1. Let p0 be initial population of the country that is at t is equal to 0. Employee says p is equal to p0. Therefore equation 1 become log of p0 is equal to k into 0 plus c. That is log of p0 is equal to c. Therefore equation 1 can be written as log of p is equal to kt plus log of p0. Since c is equal to log of p0 we have. Now given that population of the country will be double in 60 years. That is at t is equal to 60 years, p is equal to twice of p0. Therefore denote this equation. Therefore equation second become log of 2p0 is equal to k into 60 plus log of p0. Therefore, log of 2p0 minus log of p0 is equal to 60k, isn't it? We have log of 2p0 minus log of p0 is equal to 60k. Therefore, log of 2p0 upon p0 is equal to 60k. p0 get cancelled. Log of 2 is equal to 60k. Therefore, k is equal to, we have log of 2 upon 60. Therefore, equation 2 become log p is equal to log 2 upon 60 into t plus log of p0, isn't it? Denote this equation as third. Now, when p is equal to 3p0, then t is equal to question mark. Here we have to find the time when the population will be triple of original population. Therefore, equation 3 become log of 3p0 is equal to log of 2 upon 60 into t plus log of p0. Therefore, log of 3p0 minus log of p0 is equal to log of 2 upon 60 into t. Log of 3p0 upon p0 is equal to log of 2 upon 60 into t. That is log of 3 is equal to log of 2 upon 60 into t. Therefore, t is equal to 60 into log 3 upon log 2. We know the values of log 3 and log 2. Therefore, t is equal to 60 into value of log 3 is 1.0986 and value of log 2 is 0.6912. By doing this calculation, you will get T is equal to 95.4 YRS. Therefore, the population of the country will be triple or treble in 95.4 YEARS years. In this way, we can solve question number